Hello guys, we are back Lado and Chota Productions. Say hello Lado.
Hello, how are you?
They will be fine if I say. Okay, let's start our land of diamonds. Here's another jail and another complex of jails. Jail do not enter without permission. Nice step. Let's look in the jail. Okay, you see? Now Lado plays and I made comments. Okay. Here are villagers in every camera. Okay, there are many cameras, and this camera is for very dangerous lawbreakers. This is for mild, and this is intelligent lawbreakers, which are listening in everything of policemen. Okay, here's a policeman room. Here are equipment of policemen, food, and other. And there are weapons, TNT, armor, and swords. Okay, here's some melting room, which is made as house. Here's a water drinking place of jailers. And here's the worst thing what jailer will nightmare. Here's a brewing stand where I make Lado make potions for the bad jailers. And here's the last place of jailers where he prays until he will be killed. Okay, that's our part of our jail. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.
Goodbye everyone.